So, do you think AI will replace humans? The question of whether AI will replace humans has sparked heated debate, simmering since the dawn of the automation age. Let's explore the intricate relationship between humans and AI in shaping the future. In one corner, the proponents of AI stand tall, highlighting its remarkable capabilities. They envision robots wielding surgical tools with unmatched precision, their movements guided by complex algorithms. AI systems, they argue, can manage intricate logistics with zero errors, optimizing efficiency and streamlining processes. This, they advocate, frees up human potential, allowing us to focus on the very essence of what makes us unique: creativity, innovation, and social interaction. After all, AI struggles to replicate the human touch, the nuanced understanding of emotion, and the spark of genuine human connection. However, in the opposite corner, the opponents of AI raise their voices, their concerns echoing with genuine apprehension. They envision a future marred by the widespread of job displacement, particularly in sectors susceptible to automation. Their anxieties paint a picture of mass unemployment and economic hardship, with the individuals left behind in the wake of technological advancement. Additionally, they emphasize the irreplaceable human element in crucial fields like healthcare, education, and customer service. The human touch, they argue, transcends the realm of mere efficiency, fostering empathy, nurturing understanding, and building trust, qualities that lie beyond the grasp of AI, at least for now. The truth, as often is the case, resides not in absolutes but in the intricate dance between these opposing viewpoints. Now, it's highly unlikely that AI will completely replace humans in the grand scheme of things. However, it's undeniable that AI will transform the landscape of the workforce, demanding a paradigm shift in how we approach work and prepare individuals for the future. We need to equip individuals with the skills and adaptability necessary to thrive in an AI-powered future. This might involve fostering critical thinking, nurturing problem-solving abilities, and encouraging continuous learning. By focusing on the areas where human and AI strengths complement each other, we can create a synergistic partnership that benefits everyone. The future is not about humans versus AI, but about humans and AI. It's about harnessing the unique strengths of both to create a future that is not only efficient, but also compassionate, innovative, and deeply human. Let us not be passive bystanders in this relationship, but rather active participants, shaping the steps together toward a collaborative future, not a race towards replacement. We are putting a Telegram group together for our community, where we will grow together during this crypto bull run. I have a couple of things I would love to share, including gems among many other things. But hey, it won't be a piece of financial advice, just to be clear. But check the link to the Telegram channel in the description below. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.